So guys, these are the troughs I'm going to use. As you can see, they're not so, they're deep enough for what I want to use them for. So I'm going to use some of these for my herbs, and then for some other vegetables like leafy greens that are not so, don't need major like deep roots and all that. So I've got these grow bags here. As you can see, I've got some potatoes that have already sprouted that I'm planning to plant in them. So this should work quite well. I'm not sure if I'll use all these potatoes, so I'm going to have to figure out spacing them and all that. The last time I planted potatoes, even though I planted one or a few of them, I didn't get a lot of yield. So I don't know how this is going to go, so I'm just going to see what happens. Yeah, so this is my situation. So here I've got some strawberries that I already bought that have been obviously nurtured in the nursery and all that. So I'm just going to transplant this into one of these troughs. I've got white strawberries that I'm going to plant too from seed. So I'll plant them alongside these ones too. So here also I realized that I'm trying to figure out how to plant them in such a way that it maximizes the growth. Yeah, so I would try and figure out how I'm going to space these, whether I want roots all together with those that are kind of like bulbs, like cabbage, which is going to grow on top, and courgettes and all the rest. And then these ones here, they have to still be sown indoors. They kind of need to go into like little, I have got little trays where I will plant them in so that they can like kind of a nursery thing, so that they can grow a bit before I transplant them. So yes, planting is a bit more complicated than than one thinks. Like, it's not as easy, you know, as you think, but it's worth it. I mean, somebody would say, why are you not just buying stuff from the supermarkets and stuff? I think it's really a good thing to habit to cultivate. It's a great way to teach children to, and it's a like very rewarding to see doing something by yourself. And even nowadays with organic, inorganic stuff, you know, growing your own is always really good. It's very rewarding, and once you do the hard work, it's done. Really, you just need to focus on making sure they are okay, manure and all that. Yeah, and you definitely have to have the mindset for it and really want to do it. So I'm just hoping that all of this is going to work out. I tried my best not to get too much stuff because I don't want to overdo it, and then I end up getting really stressed out. So I'm just trying to focus on the things that I know that are easy to grow and easier to, should I say, manage and maintain. So, and these kind of make sense for me. I really wanted herbs, you know, so, and that is for me, I cook a lot with them, so I'm like them for health reasons and all that. So yes. Got my little helper helping. So you're going to plant in here, okay? We're planting sweet peppers or bell peppers. Good job, well done. We put some more in here, some in here. So that is me done with all my planting. I'm going to do these as seedlings at the moment. So I've got here I've got courgettes. So I've just done these 4 boxes here, or squares, and I've got thyme, that's cherry tomatoes, sweet peppers, and then yay, one of them had a label. So, and that was the habanero, but that's a totally different brand from the other ones that I use. And then this is basil, and here I've got my carrots and not aubergine, beetroot. I planted carrots and beetroot on 2 separate sides, And then potatoes are in here. I did 2 of them, so I don't really need a label. Some of them are already like sprouting, and because they were already sprouting, the seed was already sprouting before I planted them, so I just did that. And then I have tomatoes, and I think this is lettuce in here I planted. And then I have got all these other like herbs here, cabbage and all the rest, all planted in here. So all these are going to stay outside. The other ones will be indoors until they grow properly. Yes, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Like, share, subscribe. Obviously this is all new to me, but I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you. Cheers.